There are very few places left on Donner Summit where you can still create something truly personal. This property sits directly on Castle Creek, surrounded by forest, granite, mountain air, and some of the most iconic recreation terrain in the Sierra. But what makes this property special isn't just the land itself, it's the opportunity to imagine what could exist here. Is just minutes from Sugar Bowl Ski Resort, Royal Gorge, Donner Lake, downtown Truckee, and Lake Tahoe, giving you an opportunity to build in one of the most scenic and recreation-rich areas of the Sierras. The property includes a large creekside parcel approved for building near the water's edge, along with additional subdivided lots offering flexibility for future development, resale opportunities, or the creation of a private mountain compound. But standing here, it's not difficult to understand why someone might choose to keep it all. This isn't simply a parcel beside the water. The creek becomes part of daily life here. The sound of moving water, filtered light through the trees, snowfall in winter, creating a setting that feels quiet, private. And unlike many mountain properties, this location offers both retreat and accessibility. Old Highway 40 provides a year-round approach while preserving the feeling of being tucked deep within the Sierra. A mountain home designed to feel connected to the landscape rather than placed on top of it. The vision for this property has already begun, with grading, preparation work, and architectural planning completed for a future mountain residence designed to integrate into the surrounding environment. Whether someone envisions a legacy retreat, a multi-home family property, or a future development opportunity, the possibilities here extend well beyond a typical vacant parcel. Some properties are simply purchased, others are created. 20954 Donner Pass Road is more than an empty lot. It's an opportunity to create something lasting in one of the most beautiful mountain environments in Northern California. I'd love to show you what's possible here.